This is Easy Tutor. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So please subscribe to Easy Tutor. First question, FDDI stands for, and FDDI, that is Fiber Distributed Data Interface. Fiber Distributed Data Interface. So here the answer is B. Next question, to which OSI layer does Ethernet belong? Physical and data link layer. Ethernet belongs to physical and data link layer. So here the answer is A. Next question, IEEE project 802 divides the data link layer into an upper LLC sublayer and a lower MAC sublayer. Logical link control, medium access control. Upper LLC sublayer and lower MAC sublayer. So here the answer is A. In CSMA CD, the number of collision is lesser than MA. So here the answer is B. Next question, 10 base 2 uses 10 base 2. This is uses thin coaxial, and 10 base 5 uses thick coaxial, and this is known as thick Ethernet, and this is known as thin Ethernet. So 10 base 2 uses thin coaxial and 10 base 5 uses thick coaxial. So here the answer is A. Next question, dash specify the star topology featuring in a central hub and daisy chaining. And this central hub and daisy chaining 1 base 5. This method, this protocol uses this topology. So here the answer is 1 base 5. D is the answer. Next question, another term for CSMA CD and IEEE 802.3 standard is, and IEEE 802.3 standard is Ethernet. So here the answer is A. Next question, in FDDI, data normally travel on the primary ring, and the secondary ring is, when this primary fails, we go for secondary ring. So normally in the FDDI, data travel on the primary ring. So A is the answer. And next question, DAS uses a physical star topology, and this too or uses bus topology, and star topology 10 base T, it uses the star topology. So here the answer is C. Next question, in which OSI layer does the FDDI protocol operate? And this LAN operated on physical and data link layer. So all LAN operated on physical and data link layer. So here the answer is A and B, physical and data link layer. So here the answer is D. Next question, what is the data transfer rate for LAN? And commonly the data transfer rate of LAN is 10 gigabits per second. So here the answer is B. Next question, what are the data rate for Ethernet? And 10 megabits per second. This is a standard data rate of this Ethernet. So answer is B. Next one, the function of logical link control is, the function of LLC always is flow and error control. Flow and error control performed by this logical link control. So here the answer is A, flow and error control. Next question, FDDI is a ring network. It uses similar to token ring. It uses the ring network. So FDDI is a ring network. Next question, fast Ethernet has a data rate of 100 megabits per second. So fast Ethernet has a data rate of 100 megabits per second. So C is the answer. Next question, DAS helps Ethernet recover from simultaneous transmission causing error. And CSMA, this is the access method of Ethernet, CSMA CD. Because of that, we can reduce the number of collisions. So here the answer is A. Next one, if a LAN with star topology uses a hub instead of a switch, it operates exactly bus topology. So star topology uses a hub instead of switch. It operates exactly bus topology. So here the answer is A. Next question, Ethernet 10 base 2 is an example of bus topology, and 10 base 5 and 10 base 2. This 2 Ethernet uses bus topology, and then 10 base T, twisted pair Ethernet uses star topology. So here Ethernet 10 base 2 is an example of bus topology. So here the answer is A.